They are known as the Black Death, weighing nearly a ton and possessing a temper that can terrify a lion. The buffalo is far more than just a wild cow. From the frozen plains of North America to the sweltering marshes of Africa, these are the architects of the grassland. Today, we're diving deep into the world of the buffalo. We'll explore their incredible intelligence, their brutal defense strategies, and why they are one of the most dangerous and misunderstood animals on Earth. Before we go further, let's clear up a centuries-old mistake. If you're in America, you've likely called these buffalo. Biologically, they are bison. True buffalo, like the Cape buffalo and the water buffalo, are found in Africa and Asia. They don't have the huge shoulder humps of their American cousins, and their horns are far more prominent. However, whether it's a bison or a buffalo, one thing remains constant. They are built like tanks. In Africa, the Cape buffalo is a member of the Big Five. But unlike the elephant or the rhino, the buffalo has a grudge. They are famous for their memory. There are countless stories of buffalo circling back to hunt the very hunters that tracked them. They live by a code, one for all and all for one. When a calf is under attack, the herd doesn't run away. They charge toward the danger. They have been known to kill lions and even tip over cars to protect their own. Their horns are fused at the base into a boss, a helmet of bone so thick it can deflect a bullet. On the other side of the world, the water buffalo is a hero of a different kind. Domesticated for thousands of years, these living tractors are responsible for the survival of entire civilizations. They thrive in wetlands where no other livestock can survive. Their splayed hooves allow them to walk through deep mud without sinking. Without the water buffalo, the history of agriculture in Asia would look very different. The American bison is a symbol of resilience. In the 19th century, they were hunted from 60 million down to just a few hundred. It was one of the greatest ecological tragedies in history. But the story didn't end there. Today, thanks to intensive conservation, bison are roaming the plains once again. They are ecosystem engineers. Their grazing habits promote the growth of diverse plants, and the wallows they create in the dirt provide homes for rare insects and amphibians. Perhaps the most surprising thing about buffalo is their democracy. Studies show that African buffalo herds vote on which direction to travel by standing up and looking in a specific direction. The direction the majority of females look is where the herd moves. They are social, protective, and incredibly hardy. Whether they are surviving a wolf attack in the snow or providing for a family in a tropical village, buffalo are an essential thread in the fabric of our planet. Next time you see one, look past the wild cow exterior. You're looking at a survivor. You're looking at the king of the plains. If you enjoyed this journey into the wild, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. Which buffalo species is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below.